In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify 500 error. This error can be quite a headache, but don't worry because I'm here to guide you through a simple set of steps to resolve it without any technical hassle. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Shopify admin panel. This is where you'll manage your store and tackle the error. If you're seeing a 500 error message, it generally indicates a server issue or a temporary glitch that might be resolved with some quick troubleshooting. What we'll do first is try to eliminate any potential browsing issues that could be contributing to this error. Once you are in the Shopify admin, look towards the top or side of your screen for the menu icon. It usually appears as a set of 3 horizontal lines or dots. Clicking this will unveil additional menu options that we'll be utilizing today. Next, you'll want to scroll through the menu options until you locate the section labeled Privacy and Security. This area is crucial as it houses various tools that help maintain and troubleshoot your data. By accessing this area, you prepare yourself to clear out any potentially corrupted or outdated information that might be causing the Shopify system to trip up. After accessing Privacy and Security, the next logical step is to click on Delete Browsing Data. It's essential to understand why this is important. Over time, your web browser accumulates a lot of data from the websites you visit. While this data typically helps improve your browsing experience, it can become a hindrance if it's corrupt or conflicted with new updates to Shopify's platform. By clearing this browsing data, you're effectively resetting your browsing environment, offering a fresh start that could resolve the 500 error you're experiencing. Once you click to delete browsing data, you should see an option named Data. Go ahead and click on that. You might be prompted to choose what specific data to erase. Be mindful of what you select. While clearing cookies and cached images is usually safe and effective, you may want to keep other data like stored passwords or form information unless you know how to re-enter these details. And there you have it. Following these steps should help resolve the Shopify 500 error by refreshing your browsing connection to Shopify. If for any reason the error still persists, it might be worth reaching out to Shopify support or reconsidering your internet connection or device settings. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide. Remember, fixing such errors is often about patiently working through the steps and not rushing. I hope this solves your issue and gets your Shopify store back up and running smoothly. See you in the next video.